It's a 2013 Toyota Tundra, double cab, 118,000 miles, 4.6 liter V8, four-wheel drive. I got it for $12,700 because it had a salvage title in Maryland. It's been in Maryland its whole life. Very little rust at all. Hardly anything to speak of underneath or anything. It had front damage to the bumper, and so that means I got a brand new heavy duty bumper, which is nice. And that's all that was wrong with it. It needed tires for inspection, so I bought new tires and wheels. And the wheels are offset out like 2.5 centimeters or an inch out on each side. Plus I got wider tires, so the whole thing is more stable. And I added these fender guards, which is nice. It's got a nice sized bed, can haul things for the farms. I hauled 600 pounds of raw butter in there about 3 nights ago from 3 hours up in the mountains, going out to customers who need it to heal. There it is. Nice truck. And it looks good there. Thank you, God, for the truck. Yep, there it is. And there's the new lamb. Growing, looking good. Feeding up that filling up that feeder so much. Those two are eating so much, the two mommies. The other one looks like her milk's coming in. So we might have more soon, if I'm right about that. All right, that's it today from the farmstead.